Hello, I'm Sabrina from English con Cillian, and today we're going to talk about common pronunciation mistakes in English. This is second in a series of videos about mistakes and pronunciation mistakes. So let's get started. The pronunciation of this word is debt or doubt. The B is completely silent, completely, not even a little bit. So I have a debt to the bank and I doubt you can help me. Okay, so debt and doubt. Absolutely no sign of the B. Be careful. The next one is island. The S is completely silent. So we say, I want to go to the island for Christmas. Island. Island, no. Okay, the S is silent. The pronunciation of this one, we also have silent letters, the G and the H. We say ought. I ought to go. Fought, the past of fight. It's like F-O-T. Bought, the past of buy. And taught, the past of teach. I fought in the war. I bought a coat. I taught a class. Okay? The next one is the VB. This one is quite confusing here in Spain. We use B with quite pronounced teeth outside the lips, okay? Very. And we use the B with the lips closed, okay? So I went to the bar and I lost a valuable necklace, okay? Bar, valuable, valuable. Okay, oh, valuable is a difficult word to pronounce. Okay, this one again is specifically Spanish. Scandal, Spanish, scared, not escandal, Spanish, scared. No, there is no E. The S goes directly into the next syllable, okay? Scandal, Spanish, scared. I am scared. I speak Spanish. This is a scandal. Okay, and this one is quite funny. I do it often in class. So a bear, the next word is bear, like naked. The next one is beer, that you drink, and the next one is beard, the facial hair of a man. Okay, so bear, exactly the same, no difference. Beer and beard. So we'll try this sentence. Can you say this? I'm going to say it. The bearded bear opened the beer can with his bare hands. The bearded bear opened the beer can with his bare hands. So those are common pronunciation mistakes. I'll put a link as well to the first video in case you haven't seen it. I hope that's useful. If you like that, please subscribe for more, and you can also download our free ebook in the links below to make yourself a program to improve your English.